So we start off today's video with this IKEA mushroom lamp. Everyone is just loving this particular DIY. And I love the fact that she did like this really bold yellow for this. The color just looks so pretty and fun. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Very cool upcycled baskets, and then we move into an ottoman DIY. So she's using like this olive green color for this. Very cool. This is another very simple and easy project. Nothing too complicated. I also like the color scheme she has here with the rust and the olive green. Kind of gives me like antique vibes. Oh, I love this person's entryway. This is so cute. Not quite sure what they used for the doors in order to do this, but this is really pretty. And then we have the infamous stone table DIY. This is another project that it's trending right now, and I really want to attempt it. It looks pretty easy. I think the hardest aspect would be like putting the stone into the car because it looks like it would be heavy. But I love this style of design, just so pretty. Then we have a candle DIY, so the neutral rainbow. She's using a molding for this and then pouring in the wax. And doing two different sizes, so she has a bigger one and then a smaller one here. I kind of wonder how this trend would look in like the pastel colors, like a really pretty purple or mint green. That would be really pretty. So I think for this next DIY, she's going to be doing a pedestal style bowl. Not sure what those little silver pieces are at the bottom. They kind of look like, oh, candle holders maybe. Okay, very cool. She did like twisted candles. Very nice neutral color scheme. This particular creator likes a lot of neutrals, you can tell. So she's putting together some cement pieces of, looks like cups and plates. Spray painted them and then added, oh, these are really nice candle holders. Very pretty. And again, very neutral aesthetic. So here she is making some more candles with the moldings. It almost kind of looks like whipped cream or like ice cream, like the top portion of it. This definitely has a really unique shape. And for me, these kind of candles are just simply decorative. Like you would never light these ever. All right, so then moving into someone who has a little bit more of a creative, colorful design palette, as we'll call it. So she found like these really cool clothespins. I think she got them from Amazon. These are just simply awesome. And they're actual functional too, or they're actually functionable. You can use them to do stuff. So she's using like aprons here, bag. Such a cool idea. And then look at this wallpaper. This is crazy. I love how bold and vibrant this is. Like her style is just so much fun. She just has fun with each little piece she puts in her home. I love it. Look at that on the cabinet. That's crazy. And I mean that in a totally cool, like, fun way. And then this next DIY is going to be of the litter box. So she bought like this little IKEA cover, whatever, for this. I kind of wish she would spray paint this like a fun yellow color or something of that nature. I think that would look really cool. Nice way to cover up the litter box. And here she is making this flower table shape. Mint green hue, very cute. Oh, for some reason I thought this was going to be a flower design, but it just kind of looks like a cloud. I still like it though. I just thought it was a flower, but very cool. And I love the mint green color. And then we have some lily pad coasters. That's another really creative idea. Something different, unique. Wow, so much fun. Alright, you guys, so if you enjoyed today's DIY project ideas, please be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.